the CFC number or freon XYZ. Afterwards, we will discuss one numericals which was appeared in which was in the exam of NT UGC NET June 2019 environmental science. So in this CFC number of freon XYZ, a special numbering system. It is a special numbering systems to be used for fluorinated alkanes prefixed with freon, where the rightmost value indicates the number of fluorine atoms, and the next value to the left is the number of hydrogen atoms plus 1, and the next value to the left is the number of carbon atoms less 1. Okay, if the number 0 comes, then it is not required to write there, and the remaining atoms are chlorine. So suppose here one XYZ number is given, XYZ freon XYZ is given. So in this XYZ, this Z represents what? Fluorine atoms, and this Y represent hydrogen atoms plus 1, and this X represent what? Now carbon atom minus 1. Okay, so that's why the numbering system is given as freon XYZ, and the remaining atoms in that freon is chlorine. Remaining atom in that molecules is chlorine atoms. Okay, then one example it is there. See, best of that, freon 1 2 means what? We know that 2 represents what? That is fluorine atom. 1 represent what? That is 0 plus 1. 0 is the hydrogen atom. Then we will add 1. That's why it is 1. And before this 1 there is nothing. It means it is 0. That means the number of carbon atom is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So that's why we don't need to write anything before 1. So 0 1 2 we can write 1 2 itself. So this freon 1 2 means 2 fluorine atoms, means 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 hydrogen atoms. Remaining atoms to satisfy formula, that is chlorine atoms will be in number in 2. Suppose the formula for methane, that is C2H2N plus 2, no, this is ethane, sorry, we will write formula for methane, that is C1H4. So suppose C is written here like this, CH and CH here. We have to replace this H with chlorine and fluorine because there is no hydrogen atoms here in the freon molecules. Okay, so we can replace here with what? 2 fluorine atoms and 2 chlorine atoms. So because 2 given is there, 2 for what? Fluorine atoms. So we have given fluorine atoms. Rest how many numbers are there? Rest chlorine atom 2. So we have understood freon 1 2. Then one example we will understand, which was there in NTA UGC NET environmental science. Okay, so match list 1 ozone depleting substances with list 2, that is chemical formula is given. So you can see here ozone depleting substances are here, this Cl, CFC12, CFC 113, CFC 114, CFC 115, and the formulas are given. So first we will see CFC 1 2. So CFC 1 2 we have already discussed. There is 0 here. Okay, no, we don't need to write the 0 here. So first, what is the value of X here? X value is 1 minus 1. That's why it is 0. So the number of carbon atom is 1. Then Y value is hydrogen value, that is how much? That is 0. That's why it is written 1 over here, because 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That's why hydrogen number is equal to 0, and the Z is the fluorine atom, that is equal to 2. So the formula will appear here. How what? CF2Cl2. CF2Cl2. Then next, CFC113. See here, X is equal to how much? It is 2 minus 1. That's why it is value is 1. So that's why carbon number will be 2. Then Y is equal to how much? That is here given 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So hydrogen number will be 0 and fluorine number is equal to 3. Okay, so our formula will be CF2, because fluorine is how much? 3. We have to add 3 fluorine here once more, and F3, it is F2 plus F1, that is equal to F3. So fluorine number is 3 and chlorine remaining is chlorine, that is chlorine, that is 3 numbers are there. So our formula is satisfied. Then CFC114. See here, 114 means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That's why X is equal to 2. Number of carbon atom is equal to 2. Then here hydrogen is given how much? 1. So it is 0 plus 1. So hydrogen number is equal to 0 and Z is equal to 4. It means fluorine number is equal to 4. So here you can see 2F is there. That's a fluorine number is 4. Carbon is equal to 2. So here 1C and hydrogen is 0. So no need to write, and remainings are chlorine. So 2 chlorines are written here. So our formula is CF2Cl, CF2Cl. And the next is CFC115. CFC115 is what? 1 means 2 minus 1, that is carbon number is equal to 2. Then 1 for value of hydrogen, that is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and Z value is equal to 5, that is fluorine atoms. So here fluorine we have 3 numbers, one more fluorine 2 numbers, so it is equal to 5. And we have carbon 2 here, 2 carbons are there, and hydrogen is 0, so no hydrogen is not there, and remaining is chlorine, that is 1 chlorine atoms is there. So CFC115. So our right answer will be A is equal to third number, B 1, C 4, and D second. With this we have understood one important questions from NTA UGC NET Environmental Science. Thank you a lot.